I'm sure most of you have heard of the television series. I don't know if it's still on right now or not, but Naked and Afraid was the name of the television show. And basically, it was where two individuals, initially starting out, a male and a female, were dropped off in some wilderness, uh, the rainforest somewhere, the Amazon, some desert somewhere, some island somewhere, and they had to survive for so many days. I think it was 21 days initially, and then they started changing it and having groups of people. But anyway, the point was they wanted to see how well these people, some were professionals, some had not any real extensive experience in survival, some had a little bit, some were military people, former even, and they were naked. And so they pit them against nature for the most part, and they had to survive the whole time that they were there without tapping out, so to speak. But anyway, I noticed in some of the installments that they would mention having to hunt down some protein. Or we haven't seen a bird. We haven't seen a wild pig. We haven't seen a snake. We were not able to catch a fish. These were some of the statements that they made. And we have to have protein. But what's really funny and ironic was if you looked around you, there was protein all around you. That's the mistake many people make, especially in America, especially people who live in the cities in America, is that you think protein is chicken, beef, pork, lamb, turkey, when there's such thing as plant protein. For example, people love red meat and, let's say, beef, cows. Love you some Angus. Love you some steak. But what does a cow eat? Other cows? Other animals? Oh no. Cows eat green stuff. And you eat the cows. So, if you're eating the cow and you say the cow is protein, so what in the world do you think the cow was eating that it became protein? It was eating protein. Hello. So, animal protein is not the only protein. Protein is found in many sources in the plant world. Just wanted to let you know that. So, next time you say that protein is so important to you that you have to eat meat, you have to eat an animal, something living or was living that has eyes and feelings, experiences pain, think again, because protein is in plants, especially dark green plants, vegetables. Chlorophyll has magnesium, has iron, has all of the things that you need, oftentimes amino acids of the plant sort. So now, what I'm going to do is give you a list of some of the plants that contain protein at the bottom of this video. Stop believing that you can't get everything that you need from plants, living things other than animals. Stop believing that. There are some people say that, well, plants don't have everything that you need. Yes, they do. Because if you are a believer in God, the Creator, if you believe in the Bible, go to the first chapter of Genesis. What did Adam and Eve eat? They didn't eat animals. They were perfectly healthy from what they were eating. And the Creator told them what to eat. And he said that those plants and herb-bearing seeds and so forth, he said that that would be for your meat. That's what they ate. Think about this. We got a list here of briefing. Giraffes, zebras, rhinoceros, hippopotamus, elephants, and gorillas. Especially the gorilla. You've seen a silverback gorilla, right? They don't eat meat. You see the muscles? You see chimpanzees and monkeys? They don't eat meat. Do you see how strong they are? Stronger than 5 or 10 men, some of those species. They don't eat animals. They eat vegetation. Let's go back to the gorilla. Look how huge it is. It will rip a human being, the strongest human being, in half. A gorilla will. He doesn't eat animals. He eats berries and plants to survive. Hello? So if you're looking for protein next time, look no farther than the garden. Just think about it. Something to think about. That was all. Take care and let me know what you think. I'm out.